So it's giving us a sequence here. 1, -5, 25, -125, 625. Wanting us to find the sixth term, I'm going to change. That's too easy. Too easy for you guys and gals. Let's find the 10th term. Anyway, what's happening in this sequence? What's going on from term to term here?
It's multiplying by -5.
Nice. Multiplying by -5. Yes, everybody see that? That's why it keeps changing signs. You see that? It's multiplying by -5 every time, right? 1 times -5 is -5 times -5, right? -5 times -5 goes back to +25, doesn't it? Everybody see that? And then if you multiply by -5 again, like 5/4 is $1.25, right? And it changes back to negative. You see, when you multiply by a negative every time, it makes the answer switch back and forth between positive and negative, doesn't it? Because 2 negatives make a positive, but then a third negative is back to negative, etc. Okay, great. So what? We're supposed to find the 10th term. Well, it'd probably be helpful to go over here again and list them. So we're going to start with a 1, and then -5, and then 25, and then -125, and 625. And let me write the term number. The term number is important. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. We're supposed to go all the way to the 10th term. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we really don't have to come up with a formula on this one. I mean, we could, but they're not asking us for the formula, and it's not required. All that's required is to find the 10th term. So we could just follow the yellow brick road, so to speak, right? What has it been doing every time? It's been multiplying by -5, right? Every jump, it's just been multiplying by another -5. So really, that's all we have to do is just do that a few more times, right? Use your calculator. It's going to be big. 625 times -5. And I'm getting -3125. And then just keep going. In fact, I should have left a little more room here. These are going to get big. Oops. 7, 8, 9, 10th. Okay. And you just keep going times -5. 3125 times -5. You know the sign is just going to switch back and forth, huh? 15, 625, and do it again. Times, I'm just going times 5, honestly, and then just changing the sign. This will be -78,125. They're getting big. And then again, times -5. So 390,000. 625. And one more. And I'm getting -1,953,000. That's a 5 there. 953,125. There it is. There it is. So, whoops, and there is a mess up. So that's what they want. They want the 10th term -1953. I don't think we should put any commas in. It might confuse the computer. 1953125. There we go. There's the 10th term. So I really never found the formula. They didn't ask me for it. It wasn't required. You could have done it that way. You could have found the formula. That would be okay. And then just plug in a 10. That's also okay. But I just did it this way, right? The other way, or the formula, you know, you can tell that you might be able to tell the formula is going to be 1 times minus 5 to the n minus 1. I won't bother showing how I come up with that, but you can find it in the pattern. And then you can just plug in a 10. So the 10th term would be 1 times minus 5 to the 10 minus 1, right? So that'd be 1 times minus 5 to the 9th. If you do that in your calculator, boom, you'll get the same thing. So that's the other way. Or you could have done it with a formula and then just plug in 10 for n. That's okay too. Either way will work.